In this video, I'll be showing you how to verify with RoVer Discord. This is required to join Discord servers for several Roblox games. If you're trying to join a Discord server that uses RoVer, then go to the verification channel and click the Update My Roles button under the RoVer message. If you don't see the message, then type /verify and send the RoVer command. Click the Verify My Roblox account button, then make sure it's taking you to the official RoVer website and click the Visit Site button. Alternatively, you can go straight to the RoVer link website yourself. Make sure you go to the official site. Choose to sign in from the top, then head back down and select Login with Discord. Scroll down, then Authorize. Read all of the account verification steps and click on each one to check them off. Click the Continue button. Choose to log in with Roblox. You may need to sign in. Click Continue. Make sure you're okay with the permissions, then click Continue. Click the Confirm and Give Access button. Now you can click on the Update My Roles in a server text, then choose the server you want to be verified in. Alternatively, you can go back to the Discord server you're trying to join and click the I've linked my account button. Now, when you join a Discord server with RoVer, you should be given access just by clicking the Update My Roles button, or you can click the I've linked my account button instead of the Verify My Roblox account button. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.